Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. And in this video, I will show you on how to inspect any website element in Chrome browser. So let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular website right here, let's say we want to get details about the element that make up this particular website. How do we inspect the element? So there are so many ways by which you can get access to inspect element or developer tool in Chrome. Right click on it, and then when you right click, go ahead and click on inspect right here. So once you click on inspect, then it's going to take you to the it's going to open a developer tool section from the sidebar right here where you have elements, console, and source right here. Now if you want to inspect any element from this web right here, let's say for instance I want to inspect this particular American president image element right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on this particular select element you want to inspect. So click on it, and then when you click on it, you have the access direct link to that particular URL. Then you can navigate to the element right here. Then you have the URL link right here. Go ahead and click on the link, and it's open up in a new page. Then here you can as well download the image. So right click on it, and then go ahead and click on save image. And as well, you can also inspect the image element. Click on inspect again. Then it's going to open up like so, and it gives you the detail about the image as far as this is concerned. So you can go ahead and click on inspect, and then you have detailed image about everything right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and inspect any website element using this particular developer tool inbuilt in Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.